Hello everyone, how to Totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Flying AI friend and Roleplay application. So first of all you need to open your app, then you have to create your account, so simply tap on the get started. Then you have to give some, I'm just giving some name, and you have to give your birthday, so you should give the upper birthday because so how to yourself and which gender you are into. So I just keep on the done button. So now continue. So it's premium. So you can see it's created. Open gift. So you can see here it's created your explore. If you tap explore, then you can see here a lot of character here. So when you choose anyone, then you can start talking. For example, my character, you can create your own character. So explore, I'm just going to tap randomly, so maybe okay Lily. So it's the chat. So now you can see here it's like a other role play or chatbot. You can start talking. You don't need to create your account with Gmail. So you can see here live show, hints, call, ask photo, so selfie, but you need to be premium account holder. So actually this way you can create account here, you can use